Hi guys! Recently these AI ASMR videos are really viral and cool. In this video, I will show you step-by-step tutorial on how to make relaxing AI ASMR videos. Without further ado, created using Google VO3. So firstly we want to open Google Flow. Click on Create with Flow. You can find the official link in the description. Click on New Project. In the settings, we need to choose VO3 model. This model will generate audio along with video. Next, we want to enter the prompt here. This is the prompt I use. I will put it as a reference in the description. You can simply replace the objects you want to cut in the prompt, or change some parts if necessary. Then proceed to generate. When it's completed, we can have the cool and fascinating AI ASMR videos. As you can see, the audio is automatically generated as well. Here are more examples I created using this method. You can use different objects to play around. It's of great fun. After that, you can save them and using CapCut to edit them together. Pretty funny. Besides that, if you also want to try out the most popular AI video trends, AI Marvel's app is a good application for you to keep up to date. You can easily find and create the most viral AI videos on your mobile phone, such as baby podcast, AI kung fu, AI kissing videos, etc. Feel free to explore more. One thing to note is that VO3 is not free. It requires Google AI Pro or AI Ultra subscription, but there is a free trial for the AI Pro membership, and it won't charge if you cancel it before the trial ends. Alright, that's the share for this video. Hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.